Hey guys, it's been a while, but we have a BirchBox to open, so let's start off the new year with a BirchBox. See what we got. Hey, okay, so during Black Friday, they were doing a deal that you get 12-month subscription for a specific price, and it was only during the Black Friday deal, so I decided, well, I'd like to try some new products that they have, and they always come in sample sizes, so I was going to get the box. So this is the month of December for 2021. It's cute. It's got like a plum kind of color to it and everything. Alright, so the little card, it says, "'Tis the season to be well, holiday chaos," chaos scratched out, calm, so like that. And it also has a list of everything that's in the box on the back. It is kind of cute that they have this like plum color. I do keep my boxes and reuse them. Okay, so I just got this a few minutes ago. Ouch. Excuse me, I'm trying to get situated. Like over here is a pile of pillows and blankets, and I have two cute adorable kittens on them. One is kinda sick and one is very, very sick, so I'm trying to keep them comfortable. They're siblings, so that's why I keep them together, just so that way the other one doesn't feel abandoned. Alright, so moving on to the box, we have Air Repair, this little guy right here. It is, where is it? It is a protective and preventative serum. Your skin will drink up the serum with a hydrating hyaluronic acid and protective cloudberry seed oil. After cleansing and before moisturizing, apply 3 to 4 drops to face and neck. Air Repair, the brand I don't generally use. I find that their products are just eh. So I'm gonna probably gift it if I don't keep it. And let's see, the Mercy Handy. It is a hand sanitizer, if you can see that. It's supposed to be in the scent Coco Rico. Now I can't really smell all that great, but it kind of rice water. That's what it reminds me of. Yeah. Let's see. Let's put a couple drops to see if it makes my hands sticky. Kinda. It has a sticky after. Yeah, it's not something I want to use. So it's something I would... the quality of this feels like little kid product. That's what that feels like. It didn't immediately dry out the bottom of my hands here. It does, leaving them smell like tortillas, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, Deep Sleep Pillow Spray from This Works. Right here. And these are all sample sizes. I don't think any of them are truly a deluxe or anything like that. They might be, but it's supposed to be a pillow spray that you put on your pillow to help you sleep. Oh. Yeah. Why does it smell like conditioner? Alright. It does not give you a what is in here fragrance wise. There's some sort of tea tree mint lavender situation going on, and I don't even want to spray it to find out. It's that bad. Okay, next we have Kiehls. It's their Ultra Face Cleanser. This mild cleanser is specifically formulated with a sugar-derived glycoside, foaming agent to thoroughly cleanse the skin and remove makeup without drying or stripping skin of its natural oils. With effective emollients. Okay. Basically a whole lot of words that I cannot form my mouth to say right now. But anyways, Kiehls facial cleanser. Alright. Sorry, I've been going through this whole thing of like words escape me somehow, or I just can't say them correctly. It's annoying. Alright, so we have Drama Balm from Uma. Now I did open this box before I started the video just to make sure this actually had something in it, because I've had this problem before. It was with the Flamingo mascara that they did. I got a tube. It was a full-size tube, and when I opened it up, it was empty. Completely empty. But this one, it comes in this cute little box. Did I show it? Yeah, cute little box. Sorry, I'm looking at the camera, not what's behind me. Or behind you guys, I should say. This is the packaging. It is this pretty red and white situation going on here. There is product in here. There's quite a bit, actually. Let me scrape it off. And you got, I don't know if you can see that, it's a big poofy fluffy wand. So, definitely supposed to help with the appearance of dramatic lashes. So that's going to be a fun little thing to try. The great thing about this is I never have to buy full-size mascara, because I have so many that I just rotate around in which one I like that day. Alright. We have Aranco Television Hair, or Perfect Hair Mask. So this is their Perfect Hair Mask sample. Let's see if this says. They nourish and transform the hair with this hydrating hair mask. Snow mushroom extract and coconut oil boost shine and elasticity while deep conditioning. So this is supposed to be, oh, there's a safety cap. Look at there. You can see it right there. Can you? The little silver thing? Safety seal. That's kind of nice. Does this have one? Nope. Does not have one. Ready to use. Already open. I find it important that they have safety seals just so I know that someone didn't like try it out first. Even though this is a box that you're sent, it's not the point. Alright, and to go with the television theme here, we have the Perfect Hair and the Perfect Conditioner Duo little trial packs here. That is the shampoo, conditioner. And these guys, where is it? Alright, Happy Healthy Hair is a shower away thanks to the strengthening shampoo and conditioner duo that boosts shine and softness. So this is all for shine and softness, especially with the cold weather right now. I'm sure that that is a definite desire for everybody. Oh, and for the Drama Balm Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. The full price size is $10.95. It's not too bad. For the Air Repair, it is $26 for a full size. For the Aranco shampoo and conditioner, full size, I'm assuming it's each, but they are saying that the full size is $32. The mask is $42. This Works Pillow Spray is $29. The Kiehls Face Cleanser is $22. That's not too bad. And the hand sanitizer is $4, and I almost guarantee you this is a full size, because this is the same sanitizer size that you can get from Bath and Body Works, Ulta, Sephora, all that. You fit them in those little keychains. You just like boop them in the keychain thing, and sometimes they hang upside down, sometimes they don't, and you just clip them to your bag or something. Yeah, as far as the Mercy Handy, it's basically saying that it is a 67% alcohol that leaves your hands soft and it's delicately scented. I'm sorry, I don't think it is 10% alcohol because it's sticky. It shouldn't be sticky. Where is it? Okay, so I got this from, I think it was Sephora. It's called Hand Lux. It is a hand sanitizer. It is it's a 50 milliliter sanitizer. I put in here my e.l.f. hand sanitizer that I got during COVID season. So it's not this Hand Lux anymore. That one smelled like raspberries. Yeah, big difference between the two. It doesn't leave my hands sticky. It's a lot thinner. Oh, I put orange oil in it. That's why it smells funny. Alright, but anyways, it was just a plain, non-scented sanitizer. It literally smelled like Germex, basically. Let's see, the Tan Lux itself originally was 65% alcohol. So this is saying it has 2% more of alcohol than the Tan Lux, and the e.l.f. one was about the same as the Tan Lux. So how is it that 65% alcohol or so is more effective and feels better than this one that feels like sticky goo? I don't get it. I mean, I actually have sanitizer from, I'm sure it's over here somewhere. It's the little spray thingies from Bath and Body Works. Those leave your hands sticky too. But it's not that bad. Like, I don't use them that often, but it's not that bad generally. Ugh. I don't know. I have an issue with sticky things. Okay. What was I going to... Oh, the Drama Balm Extreme Volume Mascara is a smudge-proof, water-resistant formula. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It glides on smoothly, adding volume and length to every lash without the hassle of applying falsies. So it's basically a falsies mascara. Or it's a dupe for a falsies mascara. So there's that. I am getting another one for next month. I already got to pick out my, like, you get like a choice of what one of these samples are. So there's that. I'm not even putting you back in the box, or you. I don't like none of you. Okay, so the rest of that did go back in the box. I am going to stick them onto my little shelf, probably over there somewhere. Right there. That shelf right there. And also, I have a video about that shelf and everything. I did get the issue fixed that I was having with this screw. It was like a 2-second fix, so that was nice. But I'm going to be buying more of those soon. How soon, I don't know, but soon enough anyways. So hopefully I'll get this whole section behind me more organized and everything, because I want one for like makeup and hair stuff and like lotion and stuff like that. Right now everything's just kind of on it because most things are all small, so I have a lot of sample stuff. I have a lot of small things. So anyways, I'm rambling. I will see you guys on the next video. Hopefully you guys liked this box, and if you get the Mercy Handy hand sanitizer in your box, hopefully it doesn't smell like tortillas or rice water, and hopefully it's not sticky for you, because that was just annoying. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. I am going to do eventually more videos on my makeup stuff. I just haven't really had the energy or time to do any of my makeup other than for work, and that's like 10 minutes. So yeah. Alright, well, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.